Believe it or not, today we're going to be editing a puppet show, and we're going to include some sound effects, some layered sound, and a few tricks. So let's start by bringing our best take to the timeline. And right away, we want to get the dimensions right. So we'll edit this in 1920 by 1080. It's a little bit cheating because this is shot in, I believe, 1280, but that's just how we do it. So after a false start.
G'day folks. G'day folks. Xena Zebra here.
We started out. We really don't need to leave a lot of space before he gets into his monologue, his introduction. We'll leave some space here for the credits. First couple seconds.
G'day folks. Xena Zebra here with Kelly. What's wrong, mate?
I like that, and I feel like Chelly could come in a little quicker. So what we're gonna do is split the pause that he has a pause here before he answers Xena. So we're gonna speed it up, make it twice as fast.
Kelly?
Oh, but you know, you can hear how that made the sound a higher pitch.
Kelly?
That's not good. So instead, we'll just bring in the original sound.
Here with Kelly.
Now he comes in a little more quickly.
Here with Kelly. What's wrong, mate? Oh, I slept weird or something and now my neck is killing me, man.
My neck is killing me.
I think now my neck is killing.
I feel like that we could make him do more quickly as well. So this is nitpicky, isn't it? But I think because these are shorts, these are short little bits, I think every second counts. And if it's funny, it's fast very often.
It's killing me, man. Can you move it at all? Yes, I can move it from here. Yeah. To here. Third, yeah. Yes, I am in agony. Well, looks like it's time for me to do a chiropractic adjustment. What did it do, Xena Zebra? I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction. I don't know if you are very much...
Okay, so that's where I lost my way. And so let's see where we picked it up.
What are you doing, Xena Zebra?
That's funny because Telly's usually very trusting of Xena Zebra, but he does not trust him all of a sudden.
What are you doing, Xena Zebra? I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction. Oh, are you trained in this? I don't know.
Yeah, maybe on creating friction.
Rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction.
We'll do it there. So we're sewing together those two takes now.
What did it do, Xena Zebra? I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate.
Creating friction.
Creating friction.
I like the way he says it in the first one, and I like the way his hooves go in the second one. So what we'll do is take the best of each one. See, this is just being tricky, isn't it? It's being tricky. So we like the sound of the first, so we'll cut the sound of the second. We like the video of the second, so we cut the video of the first. Right? And then we see how they look together.
The zebra. I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction. Oh, are you trained? Oh, are you trained in this? Mate, I've had a...
Yeah, that's really good. It's making me laugh. Let's look again.
What did it do? Is it a zebra? I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction. Oh, are you trained in this? Mate, I've had a horse massage or two, okay? I just don't know. Easy does it. Oh. How's that? Perfect. No problem.
Okay. So, what's missing is the sounds when he's adjusting him. Right after I recorded this, I did some of those extra sounds.
Zebra, I am not sure. Nice and gentle. Easy does it. There we goes. Little more.
So you record those immediately so that the room sounds the same. Didn't even move my hands so it would sound the same and not jar you out of the experience. We want that trick to be smooth and not take you out of it. Otherwise it's not worth it.
Mate, I've had a horse massage or two, okay? I just don't know. Easy does it. Nice and gentle. Easy does it. There we goes. Little more. How's that?
That's pretty good, but I don't know if it works.
I just don't know.
Maybe if we made it quieter. Maybe if it just was quieter.
I just don't know. Easy does it. Nice and gentle. Easy does it. There we go. How's that?
I think that might work, but what we gotta add is the crackle, which is me chewing raw spaghetti. So let's just watch this and listen along, see how it works.
Just don't know. Easy does it. Nice and gentle. There we go.
Can't hear it. So this one's look loud, these look louder. Let's try that. Okay.
Does it?
Yeah, I think that we can really increase the volume on that. Right when he starts moving it, we want to hear a crack. Oh, right there. Ouch. Right when you move your head. Oh, right there. Crack.
Don't know. Easy does it.
There's a pause. There's more here. This is cruel. Try and get him to line up with when he's moving his head. Ooh, ow, ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, I think that worked. It is nuts what the mind will do to make a visual make sense, because to make something make sense, because your mind just is so willing to believe that that crackle is coming from that stuffed pet's head. enough to make you cringe. It's funny.
I just don't know. Easy does it. How's that? Perfect. No problem.
Oh, dang it. Okay. So, we did a run through of this. I always like to do a run through and film it because sometimes you can get some good improvised bits. So, that's grab. I know that in the run through, I liked what Xena said at the end better. I think he says, I don't remember.
Perfect. Much better. Don't mention it.
Don't mention it. He says, don't mention it. I like that. So we're just going to grab that audio. Yeah, copy that. And sneak it over to the end. Is that what this is? Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah, he says, no problem. And I like, don't mention it. I think it's funny because he's kind of implying that Telly should have said thank you.
Don't mention it.
And then do we have enough white noise to end it?
Perfect. Don't mention it.
Cut it a little earlier. Alright, it's saved. Let's run through it. Let's review it.
G'day, folks. Xena Zebra here with Telly. What's wrong, mate? Oh, I slept weird or something and now my neck is killing me, man. Can you move it at all? Yes, I can move it from here. Yeah. To here. Oh dear. Yes, I am in agony. Well, looks like it's time for me to do a chiropractic adjustment. What did you do, Xena Zebra? I'm rubbing my hooves together, mate. Creating friction. Oh, are you trained in this? Mate, I've had a horse massage or two, okay? Oh, I just don't know. Easy does it. How's that? Perfect. Don't mention it.
That's good. That's good. Ended a little sooner. So look at that. That's 57 seconds. Then we put the credits on and we cover up the. We do a little glitchy effect here to kind of cover up the cut, and then that's it. But that's how it's done. And very good little living comic puppet show there.